What's up, folks? Domino here. It's a bright sunny day. Look at that sun shining. You know, that sun shining from head to toe. Well, sun don't have toes or whatever. Ain't this a beautiful area out here, y'all? Yeah, that bag right there. I heard a noise, but it's that bag right there. I don't know if y'all heard it. Look beautiful out here. I stay in these complexes. Well, some of y'all already know. If y'all know me though, but I ain't telling y'all where the hell I stay. All right, so here I am chilling out here like a villain, doing the little things and saying how I feel about Nala and stuff like that. Missing her so much, thinking about her and stuff, praying for her and stuff like that. Yeah, she's bittersweet, you know. The girl I care about, you know. Yes, indeed, though. I tell them saying how much I love Nala and stuff like that. But she don't have a Facebook, you know. She don't have a Facebook page at all, but she have an Instagram and a Snapchat, you know. Yeah, that's what she got. A Snapchat and an Instagram, you know. So on that note though, I love that girl with a passion, you know. I think I'm gonna go to whatchamacallit though. I might go by my friend Donald, you know. So today is Wednesday. Uploaded this to YouTube. Hopefully I'll upload this to YouTube, you know. If it's not on YouTube, I ain't uploaded yet. If it's not on YouTube yet, I don't know how to do it. You know. It's certain techniques, you know. Look at this place, y'all. Look at the skyline over there. That's the business district. I don't know if y'all could see the business district, the Marriott and the Sheraton and stuff like that. Ain't this a nice area, folks? A beautiful area. Well, just because an area looks nice don't mean it's nice. Like I tell y'all, don't mean it's nice though, you know. You know what? I wish I would have got this phone sooner than I can remember. You know. I wish I could have got this. A friend of mine watching me. All right, check me out on YouTube. Yeah. Just if she. Well, I'm not gonna bring her on camera because this video going on YouTube, okay? I don't know if she want me to mention her name, you know. I went to high school with this girl, you know. I was very upset that she left John Mack, you know. Well, I ain't gonna mention her name, so I'm not gonna. She got off though, so I'm not gonna mention her name though, okay? At least not right now. I'll probably mention her name in my other video, you know. Okay. So but I will mention Deonka Stark's name, you know. If y'all watched on my show, you know. Yeah. Deonka Starks, you know. I was planning on stop being her friend. I was planning on it, you know. Whenever I get a girlfriend though. Cause you know she acts funny with me sometime, you know. She claims she not ignoring me. Well, what the hell? I mean, one time she haven't called me in a whole year, you know. So she ain't called me for a whole full year, you know. Told me she had a bad year or something like that, you know. So, well, the way I think about it, she was mad at me, you know. She don't claim she wasn't mad at me, but she was, you know. Okay, so But I don't think I'm gonna say why. I don't think I'm gonna say why though. So anyway, as I was saying, folks. Oh, so somebody walking, but that person probably think I'm talking to myself, but which I'm not talking to myself, you know. Hmm. Yeah, doing a live stream on YouTube, revealing my feelings about Nala, saying how much I love her and in love with her and stuff like that, you know. Hmm. But I was afraid that she'll get mad at me, you know. I really don't want to piss her off though, you know. You know. Hmm. Well, that's it for now. Okay. Bye bye.